Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to set display default size in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to set guys your default display size. So guys, how can you set? In this video I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel and guys you are watching my video first time, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So then first of all open your phone setting to set your display default size. Then guys scroll it, and as you can see your cluster size setting, and tap here, and as again scroll, then as you can see your display size guys, tap here, again scroll friends, then as you can see your display size. So you can see guys there are small and large and default size. So you want to set guys your display default size, so guys tap on display default size, and as you can see apply option, tap here to apply, then as your display size will default in your Realme phone like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to set display default size in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.